Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So you're not going to see my face today, but I am going to do some investing, okay? So make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. We are on our way to 30,000 subscribers, and I appreciate all of your love, your support, your comments, watching, all of the good stuff. Thank you so much. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor or a fiduciary. I am an investor. I make the same type of videos all the time, documenting our journey. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to buy some Costco. So let me see where we are now. We are at, okay, our market value is $3,190.38, and our average cost is $798.74. Costco is very expensive, but year to date, it's up 8.71%. The past year, it is up almost 29%, which is pretty good. The past 5 years, look at that, over 225%, and then all time, over 2,000%. So I really do like Costco. As you know, we've been trying to build up these shares, but it is expensive, right? Costco, I mean, sometimes it'll get over $1,000 and then it'll come back under 1,000. So I'm just going to invest with fractional shares. So I'm over here. I'm going to click this. I'm going to change it to dollars, and then I'm going to put $50 here. Okay, 50 bucks into Costco. I'm going to place review order. I'm going to scroll down some so that they can go ahead and place my order, then buy, and then shares are purchased. And we purchased 50 bucks. We got 0.05 shares, which is like, wow, when you think about it, because again, the stock is so expensive. But you know what? We're going to continue to build our shares. Look, every fractional share adds up. I mean, you see me invest in this stock often. I've been investing in this stock for about 8, 9, 10 months maybe. And a couple of dollars here and there, sometimes 100, 200 bucks. I would love to buy a whole share, but Costco is just so expensive. But we're still up over 24%, so I'm not mad at it. And we're just going to try to get to our goal of 5 shares. That's our short goal because, again, it's expensive. I would love for Costco to do a stock split, but until then, we're going to be happy with just making our way towards 5 shares every fractional share, okay? I'm going to now buy some Visa. Now, Visa, I really do like. This is another, not as expensive as Costco, but you know, it still is pricey. I mean, it's 355 bucks a share, and it's down today, which is good. I like buying good companies on sale. So if I come down here, you can see we have our position is worth $5,345.79. Our total return is about, let's just say 20%. I'm just going to say 20% because that's pretty much what it is. You can see our average cost right there is $296.71. And that's about 15 shares. Now, we did reach our first goal, which is 10, so we're working towards 25. So we're like more than halfway there, but we still have a ways to go. So I'm going to, in this one, put $50 as well. And that way you can see me buy with fractional shares. And this is going to buy us 0.14 shares, which is not bad. So I'm going to click review order and then buy. And the great thing about Robinhood that I love so much is that it's instantaneous, so like your shares will update right away. I know like with Fidelity, which we do have, it does take time for the platform to kind of update. Another thing that I like about Robinhood is that like they show you your pending dividends and all of that good stuff, which I really do like. So I'm a big fan of Robinhood. My daughter has used it. It's just I've gotten a lot of positive feedback about it. I don't use it to trade or options, none of that. But if you're a beginner and you're just looking just for straightforward information, in my opinion, haven't had any issues with it, which is pretty awesome. I also want to get some more VYM. Now, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think we have like 25 shares. 30. Oh, see, look, I was way off. We have 30 shares of this. Let me see. How much is this? Okay, $127. And this is also down today, which again, I want to buy this stuff when it's on sale. It just doesn't make sense to me. If I can get it at a discount, I'd rather do that than pay full price for it. I am going to put 25 bucks here though. Okay, so again, you see me investing 50 bucks, 25 bucks, whatever money you have. It doesn't have to be a whole lot of money, like hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars, but rather focus on putting what you can over here. Okay, you don't want to wait until you have hundreds of dollars and you never invest. Time is your friend, and time is moving on. So you want to make sure you are investing as often as you can. So this one, and again, this is VYM, which is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. So this is a great ETF if you like dividends. You want something high yield. You want it in a fund, so you're more conservative. Your risk is a little bit lower than an individual stock that pays a dividend. But we've been investing in this for a good while, and really no complaints about it. Year to date, down barely, and considering the craziness we have had in the markets since the beginning of the year, this is not bad at all. You can see this dip right here where it was down almost 11%. Would have loved to gotten more down there, but I did invest through the dips. It's just, I don't have unlimited amounts of money, but we were still investing, and it's fun to watch our shares grow. Again, almost 7% total return. Which is not bad. And our short-term goal for this is probably 50 shares. So again, we got a ways to go to get there. We got a ways to go. Also want to buy some how you say this? SCLG? No, not that. SHLD. Okay. And all of these SH ETFs, they kind of get me tongue-tied. But this is one of the new ones I shared about a couple weeks back, I think, on the channel. And I shared this with our dividend group first. So the dividend groups gets to more insight, more in-depth analysis to what my husband and I have in our portfolio. So if you want to join those groups, information is down below. And if you also want to open up a Robinhood account, right? You're new and you're like, you know what? I want to give this a try. My referral link is down below. It doesn't cost you any money to open it up. You can open it up and you'll get some free stock. I'll get some free stock. It's a great way to support the channel. And again, I'm showing you our positions and just being consistent because look, I don't want to work forever and I need money to live on. My husband do too. So this is a way we can get there. So this is the Global Defense Tech ETF. So I have been really looking into more defense stocks and defense funds. And I don't want to have to maybe, like invest individually in stocks. But rather I can do an ETF. It's safer. Again, the risk is lower. I still get exposure to the companies, and I can get that growth that we want. So we have 15 shares, and this is cheap enough where I can get one share of this because it's only 52 bucks and 36 cents. So I'm going to switch this to shares, and I'm just going to put one in. That's it. And I want to get one share of this for $52.36. And it was placed and it was purchased. If I come down, it just says 16, which is great. And you saw our average cost change. It went up to $49.92. We are up, let's just say 5% because it's at 4.89%. And the total market value is $837.75, which is pretty great. Year to date, this is up, look at this, 40%. I mean, 39.11%, but 40%. I would have loved to gotten this back in January, but again, I just discovered it through some research. I put it on our stock watch list. I have like spreadsheets like right here where I put everything in, and I'm able to keep track of different things so that I don't have to like figure it out and all other type of stuff. And that's why I love spreadsheets, number one, because it allows me to put my thoughts down and allows me to create a strategy. And if you want this spreadsheet, again, everything you see me use is up on my website. I create a lot of this stuff myself, and I know a lot of you love it, and because you have purchased it for yourself and you use it for yourself. So kudos to you, because look, we are the CEOs of our finances. If we don't manage our money, if we don't manage our investments, no one will. Okay, so we have to be first partakers in that areas of our life. But yeah, we're at 16 shares and our goal is 25. That's the first short-term goal. But again, like I said, I'm not in a rush of this at all. And then lastly is Walmart, which is the ticker symbol WMT, or you can just type it out, Walmart. But, once you start investing for a while, you will just get it. This is one of the newest additions to this particular portfolio. We have this over in Fidelity as well. But I like this, kind of like Costco, just a defensive company, companies that do well, in recessions, high inflation periods in this country. People are still going to go to these stores. And I just want to put, I'm thinking maybe $50 in here. Oh, let me change this from shares to dollars because we are not trying to buy 58 shares. We're trying to just buy fractional shares. $50 would get us a little over a half a share, which is nice. Let me go ahead and scroll down. Buy, order was placed, and order was purchased right there. Click done. And then I'm going to scroll down and you can see the position right here, 5.51 shares. Oops, that's my phone. 5.51 shares. You can see we're up a little over 1%. So that means we were buying this when the dips were happening in this company. Like year to date, you guys all saw it back in April. When we started buying this, we were buying it at the dips. And guess what? When it's going up, we'll be able to reap those rewards. Our total market value is $535.14. Total return is a little over 1.3%. Again, as the markets are coming back, we will be able to watch our positions grow because of our consistency with this. And while I have this here, let me check on NVIDIA. If you remember, I started a new position in NVIDIA a few months back. We have a bigger position over in Interactive Brokers. Again, I've shared that on my channel many times. Go back and watch my videos. But I was focused on this one on the channel because I was building it up from scratch. And right now, NVIDIA is kind of having, it's going parabolic a little bit because it's at $134.77. Like the past week of this, let's say the past week, it's up 17.88%, which is crazy. The past month, it's up over 20%. So again, buying and holding, buying and holding. I know I sound like a broken record, y'all, but buying and holding into good companies, into good funds, right? You research, you have your strategy, dollar cost average, and then log off the app, go enjoy your life. And in the meantime, the market will come back. And look at our position. Just 15 shares, not a whole lot. But look, we're up over 36%. Do y'all remember when I first started buying this in this portfolio? Because I remember. And we started just with 1 or 2 shares, just slowly building up because it was down. Now our average cost is $98.90. And our market value of this position is over $2,000. Again, buying low. So that's the video, guys. And I have all of my information in my spreadsheet right here, just so that I can keep track. But let me know a company or a fund you've been buying lately that you really love, that's been performing pretty decently, especially in the past couple weeks with the market rebounding, because I want to hear about it. Again, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. Smash that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. Again, if you need spreadsheets, if you want to join our groups, you want to book a private session, if you want to open up an account, all of my information is always down below in the description box. Again, thank you so much. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. Ciao.